Can you really bake a cake in a toaster oven?
Hello everyone. Today we're answering a question that many of you have asked. Can you really bake a cake in a toaster oven? Now, some of you might be surprised, but yes, it is actually possible. Let's dive in and explore how to do it safely and effectively.
Why would you bake a cake in a toaster oven?
Not everyone has the luxury of a full-sized oven, or maybe you just want to save on electricity. Toaster ovens can be a great substitute. They heat up quicker, use less energy, and in summer months, they don't heat up your entire kitchen. But how does this translate to baking a cake?
What type of cake can you bake in a toaster oven?
The size of your toaster oven will largely determine what kind of cake you can bake. Small bundt cakes, cupcakes, and loaf cakes are generally the best choices. Always ensure your cake pan fits in the toaster oven with ample space around it for heat circulation.
Adjusting your recipe.
Baking in a toaster oven might require some adjustments to your recipe. Due to their compact size, toaster ovens can often heat up faster and hotter than regular ovens. Therefore, you may need to lower the baking temperature by about 25 degrees and keep a close eye on your bake.
Monitoring the cake.
It's crucial to monitor your cake closely because toaster ovens can have hot spots that may cause your cake to cook unevenly. Use a toothpick or cake tester to check if your cake is done. If it comes out clean, your cake is ready.
Safety measures.
Toaster ovens can get very hot on the outside, so be sure to handle them with oven mitts and place them on a heat-resistant surface. Also, ensure that the oven is not near any flammable objects. So, the answer is yes. You can indeed bake a cake in a toaster oven. However, it requires a bit of recipe tweaking and careful monitoring. But with these tips, you should be well on your way to baking a cake in a toaster oven. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't worry if it doesn't turn out right the first time. Happy baking!